Hello friends, see you again with update 79. This time I want to tell you a new feature of the TikTok shop, where if you want to promote a product on the TikTok application, now you don't have to download videos or photos and also don't have to add product links, so it's quite easy and simple. But before continuing, for those of you who just found this channel, don't forget to press the subscribe, like, comment and share button so that this channel will be better in the future. And watch this video the end so you understand the step. Okay, let's go straight to the tutorial. We first open the TikTok account, then click Profile, then click the TikTok Shop card, then enter the TikTok Shop. In this feature section you can see there are many news feature, and if you want to promote your products, click the video macro feature, then search for the product you want to produce, then select the product. It looks like this. Then you edit the description of the products. Then in the selling point section there are 6 categories that you have to choose. From these 6 categories you can only choose 3. Then click create video. Wait for the process to reach 100%. This is the result. Then let's try to run the video. This is automatic. Friends, and the video is ready. Then click post on the TikTok. We wait for the posting process. Then edit the title of the products. Then click add. This is the result. Automatically included in this video, including the product link. Then click next. Then as usual give the title of the video. Then you can change the cover. After you finish clicking pause. This is the display of the products promotions that we make. Let's try turn up the volume. The promotional video is cool. That's the tutorial on this occasion. Hopefully it will be useful for you. And don't forget to press the subscribe, likes, comment and share button to get the latest tutorial updates from this channel. And see you soon.